Welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to change your date on the Grok AI. So guys, if you want to change your date on the Grok AI, so guys, it is very easy. But now this feature is directly, if you want to directly change the day age, so it is unable, and it is now this feature is not available. You need to create the whole account again with the proper date. Here you see that this is my account. So here this is my account. When I click on it, so guys, when I go for the option of settings, in the settings section guys, here you see the option of account, and this is my birth date. Okay, now here you see there is a no change icon in the front of my birth here, but here you see when I go back some older version of my Grok, so that I'm used earlier. So guys, here you see that I have one screenshot that I have a birth option. So guys, here you this is the birth and this is the change options. Okay, but currently this option is completely disabled. So guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys, subscribe.